if this is what happens, if I think most shareholders will be very happy that they bought in, and they will probably never sell.
No, so we have $3.3 billion of loans on our portfolio. This business has been going on for 6 years for us. Obviously, as interest rates started to go up, it was a time when we wanted to be very careful because we had never experienced portfolio growth in an environment of interest rates going up. That happened throughout last year, particularly in Brazil. But we continue to see very profitable growth on our portfolio. And now, as interest rates are coming down, we expect that to continue. So I would say overall, it's a very healthy portfolio. We have also launched our credit card in Brazil, and our last quarter was for the first time where we saw our the cohorts for that quarter in terms of credit cards being profitable as well. That was the one area where we had been investing, meaning the credit card wasn't profitable, but now it is. So we really have, and we started to also grow the number of credit cards that we are issuing both in Brazil and in Mexico.
Hi, it's Toby, and today I want to check out one of my holdings. I might butcher the name. MercadoLibre. Is it right? I don't know. And it operates a online marketplace, a lot of automation, very good potential when it comes to improving financial metrics and so on. Very similar to Amazon in some ways, but of course they don't have the giant databases and so on. Let's first go and get the estimates. I think I'm up almost 25% on this company or something. As you see, it's a very nicely growing business. They have a lot of opportunity in front of them. Okay, so it's a very highly priced company. Maybe it's not expensive just because the price is high, That can be a misconception for new investors. Let's go over the formula. Value equals EPS times 1 plus EPS growth times PE. And the PE is what we have to make up to get a fair understanding for the company's fair value. So we start with 2024. And as you can see, the growth is slowing down a bit over the following years. And 35 seems to be the slow point. And then 1 year with 10, 27. So I would think 30 or 35 should be our low point. And we might actually be so bullish. So we, instead of 50 for our valuations. So 35 times 1 plus EPS growth, 0.77. So this is the less bullish case, the easy case for this year, 2024. And that would mean, it's about what I thought, actually. 1,032. And I had 1.9 as fair value when I did the cash flow estimate of this company. So I think I was quite right on to buy when I did. I wish I bought more. Okay, so let's do a very mediocre valuation. Actually, I feel like it's too much. At the same time, they're growing by, they're expected to double the revenue. See, the revenue is going from 20 billion to 40 billion. That's not, that's nice. Okay, let's do this. I might regret actually maybe tone it down a bit. And then we go ham on the last one. Let's do like this. Because they have such high potential future, we're gonna make one that's really high. So they're trading around 2,000 today. Yeah, and I bought at 1.5 not that long ago. So I got a good deal. I got a very good deal if you just look at this year's number. And my copiers, of course, also got a good deal. Okay, let's check 2025. This is where they lose a bit of momentum. Only grow by 35%. I feel 30 is a bit low for a company that can grow 35%. They should hit this valuation without problem. They're already past it. And the mediocre is 224. And the ultra bullish, we go 45. It's 234. 2,834. So you see, already we're only 2 years in, and I already potential to double my money. Okay, look, 2026. This is where I feel the compounding effect might to take its place with these fast growing companies. third years is normally when you start to see a large payout. Yeah, exactly. So if I hold it for 3 years and they don't do anything foolish, management behaves well, I should have a great return way above the market average. Yeah. So this was actually my prediction for looking at cash flows. My prediction was actually that it would only take 3 years to double my money. The average number actually proves that right if you just use Peter Lynch valuation. That's quite interesting to see. And the ultra bullish, ready to get your socks blown off. I can only say congratulations to everyone who bought it at the same time I did. This is like very few companies can manage to do this, and this is an estimated slowdown. So imagine if they actually don't slow down and they keep growing. But they had a lot of years of growth. So, but you see, they're growing more than the revenue. So of course, there's going to be some kind of lid sometime in the future. They don't have more space to expand their margins. So basically, their EPS growth has to slow down a bit with time, unless they can massively improve their revenue compared to the forecast. So let's look at 2027. This is what I said. I wish I bought more. That's normally the biggest regret I have when I buy something. It's not like, oh, I bought at this price. It's normally, why didn't I buy more? Because like I know it's a good deal. That's the problem with like dollar cost averaging. You get too careful, and then you might end up missing the cake, or in the cake and missing the party. Okay, so this is the baseline for 4 years. The mediocre is 7.4. To be honest, I wouldn't be mad at anyone that said I'm going to hold this and see where it goes in the future. Because the more you see this number compound, the more you start to think what will happen in the next 10 years for this company if they behave well and if they actually reward shareholders. Woo! Haven't checked their free cash flow yield. Okay, let's see the free cash flow yield. I'm actually 5.53. So if you believe they will generate cash flow and keep generating cash flow, today is like, if you care about dividend and stuff like that. So I paid probably and got 7% free cash flow yield. So that's a good setup for the future. Anyways, the base. It's all about the base, like they say. And a 27% growth. 27.6, okay. The base case is 3.432 after 5 years. That's not bad. This is where I want to end up. 404. 4004. I mean, yeah, I'm happy I bought it. And then the ultra bullish case. Moo. That's when we hit the 5,000. And that's just looking at these numbers. Like I paid 1.5. And if this is what happens in 5 years, I think most shareholders will be very happy that they bought in. And they will probably never sell. Anyways, I hope you liked my presentation of MercadoLibre. I still don't know if I pronounce it correctly. Sorry if I butchered it. But yeah, remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon. And if you like this kind of valuation videos, the next company I'm going over is Ulta Beauty. It's a company I've been bullish for quite a long time. And Warren Buffett has finally joined into the purchase. So why not take a check and see what actually Warren Buffett got for his money? Did he make a good deal? Well, surprise, surprise, you can find out.